Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Roblox error code 264. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So first step is to log in and log out the Roblox session. For that you can directly enter into your Roblox account, or else if you are using Xbox or something else, you just enter into your Xbox account, and over there you can enter into your Roblox account. So once you enter into your Roblox account, yeah, please enter into the three dot icon more. Over there you need to enter into your settings, and then the security. Over there please scroll down, you may see logout all other session. Please do that. Yeah, that's it. So second step is to change your Roblox. So for that you need to enter into your Roblox, and then again more, and then again settings. Over there the settings, the account info, and please change your password. Yeah. So our third step is to check for another running Roblox session. So for that you need to enter into the task manager, and please force stop all the Roblox is running on the background. So once it's done, please close it, and the fourth step is to reinstall Roblox completely. For that you need to enter into apps and then installed apps, search for Roblox. Please uninstall the Roblox over here, and then please reinstall the Roblox and play the game. So the fifth step is to scan for malware. So for that you need to enter into Windows security and then open it. Over there Windows and threat protection, please scan it. Yeah, you can make quick or full scan. So sixth step is to flush DNS and reset. So for that you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it one by one, and then hit enter and then exit it. So seventh step is to disable proxy. For that you need to enter into the settings. Over there network and internet, and please scroll down, you may see the proxy. Over there please enter into the setup and make sure you are in disable condition, and please save it. So our eighth step is to delete Roblox cache files. So for that you need to press Windows R and then type percentage local app data percentage slash Roblox. Over there please select log folders and delete it. And our last step is to restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.